Make the most out of your affiliate marketing business. You cannot go anywhere without somebody giving you their advice about affiliate marketing. You do not know if they are telling you good information or just what they might have picked up on from unknown sources. If you want the real information and want to be your own expert on the subject, this video is for you. Make sure you have a strategy before you get into affiliate marketing. You want to prepare a plan of what types of products you want to have available and how you are going to attract attention to your webpage. You can't expect to just make a webpage and that people will just find it. Plan things out and it should help with bringing people to your webpage. Use content marketing to sell affiliate products. Most people will not buy a product through an affiliate link without any prior information about the product or what it can do for them. To increase future sales, send potential customers to an authority website where you regularly provide helpful advice related to the niche your affiliate product falls into. Include your affiliate link on the site. It is important to know your audience when also using affiliate marketing. If you are writing a cosmetics blog, don't choose affiliate ads which are for car parts. The more an affiliate ad relates to what your website or blog is about, the higher the chances are that your current customers or followers will use the affiliate links. In conclusion, it can be trying to listen to so-called experts give you their opinion on affiliate marketing. The tips and tricks in this video have been widely proven time and time again. Hopefully, this video will help to either clear up what you were unsure about, or give you some new information. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.